Okay, so today we're doing our turkey. We're gonna do it smothered in butter because butter is good stuff. So we're gonna season up the butter and make a compound butter, and then we're gonna rub it all over the turkey, and then turkey is gonna cook in the oven. So the butter prevents it from drying out because who likes dry turkey?
Right.
Nobody, right?
Nobody.
So the butter will help keep it moist, and all these seasonings here will keep the flavor in.
So you know, Trinis, we have our special way of cooking, special way of seasoning foods.
Plenty seasoning.
Plenty.
That's how
seasoning.
we like it.
Yeah, you know we like it. We don't want to complain. Oh God, this food have no
Bland.
seasoning. Right.
Right.
So we don't want none of that. So we don't want a bland turkey and we don't want a dry turkey. We have the butter, smoked paprika, parsley,
Flavor.
shadow benny, garlic, Italian seasoning, salt, black pepper. Everything you need for your turkey to be juicy, well seasoned, tasting good. It's more than a teaspoon, but that's okay.
Throw all that in there.
You want all?
All.
Alright, ma'am. Throwing all. We leaving back a little of the garlic to go inside the cavity. Same thing with the Italian seasoning.
Nice.
Now with the salt, you don't want to put too much salt. Remember, you're using unsalted butter also. The black pepper, same thing. Judy,
Right.
take over
Now
here.
we're gonna mix this all up, marry it all together.
Even if you're afraid to get your hands dirty.
It's not that, you know, but her hands look so good at mixing it. You're gonna stuff underneath the skin, make sure and well massage the butter in. As you can see, she's getting all up inside there. Yes, this turkey is going to be luscious. Yep. Listen, there's no such thing as too much butter.
Never.
So you're getting all up inside there. Then she's gonna get all over the skin. And again, listen, don't be afraid to play with your turkey properly. You want your turkey to be moist and well seasoned.
We want the meat relaxed, so it'll be nice and soft. So we have to give it a nice massage first.
Ah, yes. So that's what you're doing, you massage.
Yes, massaging it
To make it relaxed. Yeah.
so that he'll taste good when we eat it.
You will notice the turkey is well rubbed, well slathered. Now, for the cavity of the turkey, we use some of the butter, but you remember we also left back some of the seasonings here. We're going to use that now, dry as it is, and get it down inside the turkey. See, and getting down inside here. We have all.
It's a dirty kind of job.
Yes, it is.
I find you real clean for this job.
That's what makes us such a good team. Alright, somebody's so down inside there. Somebody.
I find you put me to do all the dirty work.
A little bit.
Right.
Get in there, Jody.
Everyone, you have the pan?
Yeah, man.
Nice.
One pan and meritones.
You and Mary today, eh?
So if you look, you would see she placed the two legs in the skin for it to hold together. And because
Right.
the pan is so tight, the wings will stay together as well. And what I will create when it's finished baked, an even more moist breast.
And keep everything together.
And keep the juices in.
Nice.
So straight to the oven.
There we go.
So, before we go, you know, some people ask us why we didn't put the stuffing in. Everything is preference. For me personally, I like to start the turkey cooking, and then after the first hour, add the stuffing inside it, so then the stuffing will get all the juices in and continue the cooking process.
So we're making the stuffing next.
Yep.
Well, there we go.
So we have everything here for a yummy Trini in bowl stuffing. Again, we want our stuffing to be moist and tasty at the same time. So we have everything here to make a luscious and glorious stuffing.
Beautiful.
Lovely.
So we're melting all the butter that is left over from the turkey in here. Right, so we're going in the bigger bowl now.
Going in the bigger
Because this
bowl.
bowl,
Nice. Get all that
Nice.
yummy butter taste. We add in.
now we're seasoning this.
Yep.
What are we going in here?
We add in the bacon,
Beautiful. Plenty bacon.
the garlic,
Ting.
pimento. Mix slowly,
Mix,
slowly.
mix.
The
It's looking
onions.
good. Can make some mashed potato with this.
We want to add the bread.
Real stuffing.
We add our wet ingredient.
Bacon fat flavor.
Adding some salt. A little bit of black pepper, a pinch of black pepper,
Nice.
a little more. You get all that mixed up, all that yummy goodness. Now, some is gonna go into the turkey. What we have left over, we can bake on the side as an extra side order for our yummy turkey dinner. An hour into the cooking process.
How we looking there? How we looking there?
It's be looking pretty yummy so far.
You're looking pretty yummy.
If you would notice, a lot of the butter has rendered down. Now we are going to stuff our turkey.
With that stuffing, man. Okay, let's put
So we getting the stuffing up inside there.
back in the oven there.
Back in the oven now. Before you do that, give me some to add some of, let me get some of the drippings to add to this.
Carefully, bread don't fly away, you know.
Yes, I won't. Go ahead. Yeah, that's it. Thank
Beautiful.
you.
So we're gonna bake that separate.
We're baking this separate.
Nice. Let me put this in the oven.
Nice. So we mix the drippings in. Nice. Nice. We're gonna get a pan and put it in the oven and let it bake till we get a nice crust on top.
So how long into the oven there now?
2 hours, 2 hours and 15 minutes.
Right,
thereabouts.
right. It's looking real good. Look at that color.
Yeah, we tested. If you have a thermometer and you want to test this, make sure the doneness of your turkey. You stick a toothpick, fork in it. Once the water runs clear,
You're ready to go.
If it's pinkish, it needs a little longer inside the oven.
And so what's this on the side here?
Yeah, we have our
You made
cranberry
that?
sauce. I made this. Well, I mean, all of us put it together while we was in the kitchen, right? So, the simple ingredients that we utilize here, it's basically anise, cardamom, allspice. That's 3 of my favorite spices. We added the fresh cranberries, very nice and whole. It doesn't take long to cook. Also, we put some white sugar, some brown sugar, orange juice, a little bit of water, and bay leaf. You know, we have a nice little combination of sweetness there, acidity, spices, and then finish it off with black pepper and salt.
Please don't
Nice.
burn.
Let me help you.
Yes,
Let me help
please.
you. Pull. There's how you know if it's good. Yeah, we pull in, we pull in, we
You
pull
seeing
in.
this?
Right. Finish it off there. Finish it off. Finish it off. Finish it off. Yeah.
Disappear.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Disappear.
As I see it, I mean the turkey looks moist. You can see it's not tranny, it's not too dry. Putting the turkey in a small pan and keeping all the appendages close kept the turkey breast very, very, very moist. The
So we did a good
butter,
job.
You all did an excellent job.
So thank you on behalf of myself and
Chef Jodi.
we bring to you a wonderful Trini style turkey. As I said, this is not a Thanksgiving turkey. This is a Trini Christmas turkey. So do enjoy. All the best for the Christmas and a blessed and prosperous New Year.
Hope y'all try it at home.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
So, on behalf of us at Fanatic Kitchen Studio and eatahfood, we want to thank you all for viewing. We did an amazing ham, turkey, stuffing, cranberry sauce, and gravy for you all today. So, hopefully, you all We'll try it out for this Christmas season and other Christmas season to come. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you.
That's a wrap.
Wait, saying Camille.
Finally getting the action.
Yeah?
It actually has my mouth salivated. So, I mean, well done, Chef. Chef Jodi, Chef Marcus.
Thank you very much.
Marcus, who you get Marcus on?
I don't know. I don't even know what is my name.
So let's do that part. And he'll call me,
What is- yeah.
and he will say Chef Damien this time.
I knew.
No,
You
no,
see, Marcus and Damien are very close.
don't
You
let
see?